Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating scientific discovery that might just change the way we approach obesity treatment. It's all about the humble python and its incredible ability to go months without eating after a massive meal. But how do they do it? Well, scientists have been hard at work, and they've uncovered a molecule that could be the key to unlocking a new generation of obesity drugs. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the python's eating habits. These snakes can consume prey that's almost their entire body weight in one sitting. After a big meal, their metabolism skyrockets, and they can go for months without eating, seemingly without any negative effects. It's like they've mastered the ultimate crash diet. But what's the secret behind this metabolic feat? That's where our story begins. Scientists were curious about the metabolites involved in this rapid heart growth and increased metabolism after feeding. They examined blood from young Burmese pythons before and after a meal, and guess what they found? Over 200 molecules that significantly increased in the python's blood within hours of eating. One of these molecules, called pTOS, stood out. It's produced by the snake's gut bacteria and is also present in human urine, albeit at low levels. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When the scientists administered pTOS to laboratory mice, they didn't see any obvious effects on energy expenditure or organ size. But here's the twist. pTOS regulated the mice's appetite and feeding behaviors. Obese mice given pTOS ate significantly less and lost 9% of their body weight over 28 days. That's a pretty impressive result. The cool part is that pTOS works differently from GLP-1 medications like Wegovy. Those drugs slow down stomach emptying, making people feel full for longer but also causing side effects like nausea and constipation. Instead, pTOS acts on the hypothalamus, a brain region that regulates appetite. So, it's like a natural appetite suppressant without the nasty side effects. Now, I know what you're thinking, cool, but how does this relate to obesity drugs? Well, the scientists are optimistic. They believe that further research could lead to the development of a new class of obesity drugs inspired by pTOS. And since pTOS occurs naturally in humans, it's expected to be safe. It's like nature gave us a heads up on how to tackle obesity. But here's the thing, this is still early days. We need more research to fully understand the implications and potential applications. As Professor Leslie Lanewand, a biologist who's been studying pythons for 2 decades, said, "We can learn so much from these animals that have evolved to do extreme things. So, let's keep an eye on this research and see where it takes us." In my opinion, this discovery is a game changer. It shows that nature has some pretty amazing solutions to complex problems. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll be able to harness these natural processes to create better, safer obesity treatments. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of natural solutions in medicine? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.